Hey, what's up? It's Brand the Mile Princess. It's Brand the Mile Princess and Pauline fan here. Tonight I'm gonna do a shout out to my friend Amanda that was in Smithville, North Carolina. Who lives in Smithville, North Carolina, Fayetteville, Greensboro, and Charlotte, and in Smithville, North Carolina. She's getting really fussy. Really tired about. She's getting really upset about losing a lot of views. I'm also tired of. I'm also had enough of this Susan Diane lady stealing my subscribers. And holy cow, we got a train coming. I better go catch it. Yeah, wait a minute, we got a train. Wait, we got a train. We got a train coming. Hope I can reach it. Catch it before I get there. How fast of a walker I am. I think I hear the train coming. I didn't expect to hear that. I hear it coming. Oh, there he is. I know it's coming. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. 100. ACL 42. The first ACL 42. 300. Just like 300%. Just like playing Surfside Bros Brawl, super sudden death with 300%. Awesome. That's Amtrak Superliner 58. From Brand the Mile Princess and Pauline Fan Channel on YouTube. The Superliner Train 58 starts in Detroit. Starts between Detroit, Michigan. Stops between Chicago, Illinois and Kankakee, Illinois. Continues on to the Bradley train station in Champaign, Illinois. Then it makes a couple more stops in Louisville, Kentucky and Memphis, Tennessee, and terminates in New Orleans, Louisiana. And it also makes another stop in Tolono, outside Tolono, Illinois. Happened on this Tuesday, August 30th. August 30th, 2022. Like I said, Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. From Brand the Mile Princess and Pauline Fan Channel on YouTube. Before we do that, we're gonna go check CN. We're gonna go check the CN tracks to make sure there's no other train. We're gonna check on that way. Nothing that way. Just gotta check. I just gotta check the CN tracks to make sure there's no other train. That's all for tonight. And You know already? If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. Help me complete my goals again. Help me complete my goals by sometime late next year. By late next year in 2023. Just hoping by next summer. By mid next spring or next fall, I'm almost have just about completing my goal of 500 subscribers, and I'm on my way 1 week a week to get the community tab again. So consider subscribing to my channel. I'm just hoping the Susan lady will be terminated too, because I want her subscribers. I want all of her subscribers, all of her subscribers, because she the Susan lady was the one who ruined my 9-year anniversary on YouTube. Ruined my 9-year anniversary on YouTube, and I was really mad. I was not happy about it. I was not happy about it. I was not happy. And like always, here's the next video. Roll it. Let's roll it. Here's the next video. Hold it. Don't click away. We got more trains to come. We always have more trains to come. You're always here, Brandon the Model Princess and Bowling Fan. Because you haven't seen nothing yet. Here's the next video. Here's the next video. Roll it. So here's the next video. Let's roll it.